Greetings and welcome to Granville County Public Schools, one of North Carolina's districts on the move. My name is Dr. Elisa McClain, and I would personally like to welcome you not only to a new school year, but to this incredible school district. In our school district, our Board of Education, executive leadership team, teachers, faculty, and staff all agree that we want your child's experience to be second to none. So in order to make that happen this year, we are asking all parents to do a few things. Join us on this journey of having an incredible year. First, please keep in contact with your child's teacher and/or school principal. 2, get to know your child's school resource officer. If you see any type of suspicious behavior or have concerns about things you might see on social media, we ask that you let us know right away. The safety of our students in schools remains a top priority in our school district. We also ask that you encourage your child to read nightly, regardless of his or her age and regardless of the subject content. And then we ask that you assist with checking for comprehension, making certain students fully understand what they've learned. All of these tips will be helpful in ensuring success for your child this year. Again, we thank you for joining us in this endeavor. Our district has some new features this year we hope you find helpful as you transition your child into the new school year. First, our Here Comes the Bus app is an app you can download on your phone, and it will give you time-to-time, step-by-step location of where your child is on the bus or where the bus is before it picks your child up. We also have our free and reduced lunch applications online this year, and we strongly encourage everyone to complete an application, as a portion of our federal funding comes as the result of each and every application. Our Student Code of Conduct is also located online, and we hope you will take time to visit each of the links already mentioned. We also ask this year that you join us in asking your child for the Student Code of Conduct he or she will be signing for and bringing home early in the school year. We ask that you sit with your child and review the policies. While we don't want to anticipate anything negative happening, we know that sometimes things do occur, and we all want to make certain we are on the same page. It is important for us to join with you, and we're delighted that you've elected to join in with us this school year. Academics, character, global impact, science, technology, engineering, the arts, and math are all critically important to us. And as we educate your child on this journey, we thank you for choosing Granville County Public Schools as the educational choice for your child. Have a wonderful school year, have a wonderful open house, and know we're all in this together, and our commitment is excellence and achievement for all. Have a great school year.